Good afternoon, friends. Today I am giving a presentation on passive fire protection observation. So, firstly, I will give an introduction. So, introduction to passive fire protection (PPF) is a short form. So, this is previous one. Passive fire protection (PFP) is an essential component of fire safety in the buildings and industry facilities. Unlike active fire protection systems such as sprinklers and fire extinguisher, PFP measures are built into the structure to prevent the spread of fire and smoke. Protection structure integrated and safeguards life and property without requiring human intervention or external activation during a fire. So, issues related to passive fire productions, which I cover in this presentation, are compactation, penetration and sealing, fire doors and hardware, sprinkler system, emergency exits. So, next one, compactation. Compactation divide a building into fire resistance section to the limit fire spread, giving occupants to time to evacuate, protecting escape routes. Improper installations. Compartments walls may have gaps or improperly installed barriers that allow smoke and fire to spread. Materials degradation. Over time, materials used in compactation can degrade or be damaged, reduce fire resistance. Common issues: inadequate fire rates, walls or barriers, gap or unsealed penetration which allow fire and smoke to spread. Another one is failure to meet requirements, fire resistance level due to poor material section or wear over time. The recommendations are regular inspections to ensure compartments are intact and comply with the fire ratings. Second one is use compile fire resistance material and sealants and address any gap or wear promotingly. NZBC requirements. C3.3 buildings must have adequate fire separation to maintain compartments integrity. C3.4 all penetrations in the fire rated barriers must be appropriate sealed to maintain fire resistance. Next. So next point is penetration and sealing. Penetrations such as a duct or pipes passing through fire rated walls need sealing with fire resistance material to prevent fire spread. Another is degradation of seals. Over time, seals may break down or be compromised, especially if exposed to moisture or fluctuating temperatures. Poor maintenance. Regular checks may be overlooked, causing gaps or cracks to go unnoticeable, and seals. The common issues in the penetration and sealings are unsealed or improperly sealed penetrations, use of non-complication materials for sealing. Third one is damage to seal during maintenance or due to wear. And the recommendations for the penetration and sealing is install fire rated sealing system for all penetrations. And another one is conduct regular maintenance and check to ensure seals are intact and meet fire resistance requirements. According to NZBC requirements, DC6013, all penetrations in fire separation must maintain the fire resistance rating of the barriers. They pass through building related standards, Standard New Zealand NDA. Next one. So next one is fire doors and hardwares. Damage or wrapped door. Over time, mid door may wrap or sustain damage that reduce their integrity. Broken seals and gaskets. The gaskets that help prevent smoke spread can destroy and reducing door efficiencies. The common issues in the fire door and hardwares is poorly maintained doors that do not close or latched properly, installation of non-compel or damaged hardwares, doors left propped open, defecting their purpose. And the recommendation for this: routine inspection and maintenance to ensure fire doors close and latch properly. Ensure all hardware comply with fire safety standard. Use door closer or alarms to prevent door from being left open. According to New Zealand Building Code C4.3, fire doors must maintain the required fire resistance and be fitted with appropriate hardware to ensure effective operation during a fire. In the next one, sprinkler system.
Common issue पढ़ दे.
Sprinkler system,
Common issue.
water supply
issue.
water issues.
Lack of reliable water.
So lack of reliable water,
Source of low pressure.
source of
Low pressure.
low pressure,
And
वो common issue पढ़ दे.
the damage heads. Sprinkler heads may become closer with derabites or sustain damage, reducing their ability to spray water. Faulty valves or controls. Defective valves or sensors can cause the system to fail or active permanently. The common issues are inadequate water pressure or coverage area and failure to conduct routine testing and maintenance. Recommendation for this: regular maintenance to ensure all the components are function and confirm water pressure meets the necessary requirement for effective operations. According to New Zealand Building Code requirements, sprinkler system must be the fire protection standard for the building type and ensure effective coverage in the fire-prone area. KOROK Building System NZ 2024 November 30. You can no. क्या है? According to emergency agrees.
Low pressure.
Common issue पढ़ दे खाली. Common issue पढ़ दे.
So in this, the mainly issues are like obstruct or poorly lit exit routes, inadequate signs which can delay evacuation, and recommendation for this: ensure exit routes are undoubted, well lit and equipped with the clear sign. Use self-luminous or illuminate sign. Regulate test all edges routes.
आधा मिनट रह गया.
According to the New Zealand Building Code requirements, F8.3 building must have appropriate provision to ensure evacuation in the fire. And F8.4 egress routes must be clear marked and meet the visibility requirements. advanced. These are the references. Thank you.
Okay. Could you please explain what is the main objective of using fire dampers?
It will make a barrier to it will not spread the fire.
Could you please give 3 examples for the active fire protection system?
Fire extinguisher, water sprinkle, and yeah,
And
alarms.
okay, thank you so much.